Belen on the beat.
Say what's up.
What's up?
You guys, I want to make you YouTube famous.
What the fuck?
What the why is there like a $6,000 camera in here?
Why is there?
It's definitely like 900.
An expensive camera, gotta go with an expensive truck.
Be right, facts. Hey, you want to take pictures of my truck?
Goddamn.
That's on my knee, dollars begins. Hop off a jet, barely get rich. Cash through the mud, I get a check.
Oh, I skidded. I feel like it feels funner on the inside than watching it. Just a couple white girls out here getting Starbucks. What up, y'all? So it's a great day to do, I have no idea, but the gang's out here and we're gonna do some hood rat shit in Boise. So this is really awkward to film outside, but it is what it is. Let's go see what the gang's up to. Y'all got anything to add to the vlog?
I don't know, my coffee's just pretty good.
Luke, you got anything to add?
Gun. That might happen.
Ooh, model those shoes. Ooh.
Pose,
ooh.
pose, pose.
Those are the Under Armour ones?
No, these are the ones that I have.
Model your man purse.
No, I'm not doing that in front of you.
Come on, you did that already.
No, there's no photographic evidence of that shit.
Here, hold your L. Take your L. Wax. Second stop.
Huh?
Second stop.
What do you mean?
Chick-fil-A.
Oh.
Funny how everywhere we've stopped so far, it's like food.
We went to Cabela's, that's not food.
I was looking for food in there though.
Huh? Where are we going? Devotion tattoo. If y'all tell me to go somewhere, I'm gonna go.
I told you go to trampoline park and you didn't.
Because I want to fucking go to the trampoline park.
But I wanted to, and you just said if we wanted to go there, we'd go. Now you just like contradicting yourself.
Belen on the beat.
Why you videotaping me?
That's a mood. Can't get tired of that view. It's way funner inside. From the outside, it looks funny. Oh my gosh, I hope the mic's connected, because